Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. XRP has arrived at a key point now, key breakout point. Doesn't mean the breakout will be successful, but we've arrived at this trend line that we looked at in previous videos. And before we continue with the analysis, quick reminder that tomorrow I'm going to send out the weekly MCO newsletter again. There will be an update about a cryptocurrency that I normally don't cover anywhere else. There's a general market update about possible stocks or indices, stuff about mindset, and everything is typically covered in these newsletters on a weekly basis. You can register for free if you follow the link in the description. It's the newsletter link. It's pretty much at the top of the video description. So let's take a look at the structure here that's developing. Obviously, I just mentioned to you that this potential triangle pattern, which doesn't really look like a triangle yet. We don't really have enough structure in the triangle. However, we have trend lines that are indicating this kind of triangle pattern, okay, just sort of trend lines. But whether it's a triangle or not, it's not so important. Important is that we have a descending trend line there at the top with enough touch points to be relevant. So it's not like a trend line with only 2 touch points or something. No, it actually does have, pretty much 4, 5 touch points. Yep. So this is something interesting, and we've arrived at that trend line now, but the breakout is not yet happening. Okay. But it might be unfolding sort of in the process. Yeah. But we haven't really seen any sustained break above the yellow line. Now, from an Elliott wave point of view, this would be the yellow structure. Okay. So we could say the B wave that we were talking about in previous updates bottomed here. That shouldn't be anything new. That B wave could have bottomed there. And then this would be a wave 1, this would be a wave 2, and maybe in a third wave up, and we do something like that. This would only be possible as a diagonal pattern though, because this wave 1 would be an ABC structure. I'm quite sure the microstructure will change even if we get an upside breakout. But if this is an ABC structure in wave 1, then the third wave would also be an ABC structure, and we just have to prepare for frequent wave count changes. Another interpretation would be that wave 1 is here. Wave 2 already bottomed on the 7th of August, and this is an AB, and we're already in the third wave, but then this is all very choppy. Okay, so it's not very clear. It also doesn't make a great difference. But this would be the pathway that we would follow if there is a break to the upside. In previous videos, I also emphasized the importance of the 66-cent level, these previous swing highs that formed in July and August and also in previous months. So around 66 cents, that's a key level there. Getting above it would further support the direct breakout scenario. In addition to that, we've got the white wave count, which you can see here, which would really be an Elliott wave triangle. And in this case, we would have an A wave, a B wave. The C wave is now in the making, and it's unfolding as an ABC itself, then a wave D and a wave E. But this scenario will be invalidated if we get a break above the 66-cent level. So therefore, this triangle would be still something to observe, still something to watch. And the B wave that potentially bottomed on the 5th of August in the yellow count is still unfolding as triangle. But that's sort of what pretty much will be determined probably in the next few days, maybe next 1 or 2 weeks. And it depends really on that 66-cent level. Below that 66-cent level, it keeps the door open, to like, let's say, a wider, a more substantial triangle pattern. But above 66 cents, we're dealing with a direct breakout, probably towards the eventually probably the 80 to 90 cent mark. Yeah, but that really depends on the bull's ability to send the price above this yellow trend line here. If I zoom in a little bit, you see that we haven't broken out yet. In the white count, this is just simply a B wave that's unfolding here right now. So be prepared. What I don't want to see really in that yellow scenario is a break below these previous swing lows from Monday the 19th and Thursday the 15th. So don't really want the price below 56 cents in the yellow count. In contrast to that, in the white count, this would be actually a confirmation that wave C to the downside is happening. We're also currently in a Fibonacci resistance area, so just measuring the fib retracements of the decline, this is a resistance area. The next fib level is 62 cents. So that's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.